So hey friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I come back with a new amazing video. In this video I am going to tell you about one of the most important and most profitable trading platforms. Let's start the video. Before starting, you need to create account on this site. I will provide you link in the description. You can check out this. After clicking the link, you will get, first of all, you need to enter your email, then enter your phone number, and you can also select your country, in which country you are living. There are many countries available. You can select in which you are living. In the down you can see that you can need to put your password, then confirm password. This one is security pin you need to put, and you can use this before withdrawing the amount. You can withdraw the amount by using these security pins, so please remember this security pin and also remember both of these passwords. After creating the account, you need to just click on login, but I already have an account on this. You can see that I just deposited $15 in this. After depositing, you need to wait for this. I have $15, and you can see that these $15 are available in my wallet. Now I can show you how I recharge this. Before charging, I click on this recharge button. After clicking the recharge button, I need to copy this address. After copying this address, you can see that please don't recharge other non-USDT assets. The deposit will arrive in your account about 3 to 15 minutes. And you can see that if the payment has not been received for a long time, please refresh the page. And you can see that after this, after copying the address, first of all you need to put this, you can check this one is a TRC20 address. After this, you need to go back. After going back, please select your wallet, such as I am paying through my Trust wallet. You can see that I have Trust wallet. In this I am going to tell you how you can deposit in this site. I put my password here. After putting the password, I have Tron. You can see that I have about $2, but here is the minimum deposit is $11. You can see that on this. But now you can see that I need to click on this send amount. After clicking send amount, I need to paste the address here. Then I need to put here my TRX and USDT here, such as I want to deposit 5000 TRX. Then I have not balance to deposit, but you can deposit it by putting the amount in which you have USDT. I think you got it how to recharge on this. After this, your payment will receive within 3 to 4 minutes, and you can see that my balance is now $15, and I show you my history to confirm you I deposit through this way. You can get a 10% bonus on the first withdrawal, such as I can give you the one refresh here, such as you can see that you can get a 10% bonus on first top up. How you can get your bonus? After clicking this, you can need to go through with this icon. After clicking the icon, you can will redirect to social media accounts such as your Telegram agent, and then you need to enter your ID and give them your ID so they can give you the 10% bonus of your amount. Now you can see that I have a $15. Now I'm going to tell you how you can start trading on this. Before this, you can see that this one is the home page. Here you can see that many different currencies are updating live here, such as you can see that price is 24-hour changes and others.
How can you find me?
Second tab is one, and you can check all these are the partners of this site, such as Binance is the one of the biggest exchange, Coinbase, OKX, MetaMask, KuCoin, BitGet, Trust Wallet, and Ayubia. These are the big platforms working with these websites. After this, you can see that this one is the team option. You need to copy this link, and after copying this link, you need to share with your friends, and you will get a 60% reward of the first transaction which your friend deposited, such as first level earning 30%, second level 20%, and third level will be 10%. You can see that this one is a tab about trade. Here you can see that here first of all you need to see your period ID. You can select your minutes, and 5 minutes, 60 minutes you can trade on this, and you can see that here's the countdown start. Now you can see that after this, you can see that how you will buy and you will sell. These are two methods on this trade options, but you can follow these signals by providing the link. I will description of group where you can follow these signals. First of all, I show you this group. This one is the group which providing the signal, such as this one is the signal. I don't follow this because I am giving you the details of this sites and then I missed it. Here you can see that this is the signals. You can see that this one is the ID they ordered to sell, and choice one was recommended amount was $10, and you can see that they put sell, and after putting the sell, you can see that this trade will be win. This trade will win, and the people got 10 to 15% profit on this trade. You can see that there is an easy method to trade on this. Now I will teach you how you can follow this, like this by this group, how you can follow these signals. First of all, I am waiting for the next one signal so I can follow this. See that this session again started for me for this peoples. You can see that 100 around 3 peoples are following this sessions. Now I am waiting for this sessions. You can see that session starts successfully. Now the member is analyzing the market to give us the signals we need to buy or sell. I am just waiting for the signal. Let's wait for it. And now you can see that now ID number is this 601. You can see also this 601 is the ID, and now I am waiting for these signals. I don't receive yet. I am waiting for this. Now friends, you can see that I receive a signals. Now I go back. After going back, I need to sell and enter amount such as $10. Now after this, I need to put on this submit buttons, but I failed to this. I need to follow again this, such as this one is the ID 602, and now I need to put sell. And after this, you can see that now my ID is 02. Now I go to sell button. Now I need to put my amount such as $10. After this, I need to click on this submit button. Now I'm waiting for the result. Now you can see that my order placed successfully. I put on sells. The order ID is this 602, and I put on sell. Now you can see that this ID is also 602. You can see that period number is 602. You need to match all these details so you can't lose any amount. I am waiting for just the results. Only 10 to 17 seconds are left. You can't trade at the end of 20 seconds. You need to put your signals before 20 seconds. Now I'm waiting for the result. You can see that I have just now $5 in my wallet. I'm waiting for this result. Now you can see that friend, I refresh here. Now after this, after putting the refresh, you can see that my assets are changed into this $24. I successfully win this trade, and now my balance is $24. I am now giving you the details how you can withdraw this amount from this. Before withdrawing, I need to wait sometimes. You need to subscribe my channel, click on the like button, and also share with your friends. For withdrawal, you need to go to this withdraw sections. After clicking this withdraw section, I need to enter my address here. First of all, I copy my address, and then I will teach you how you can find it. I need just copy this. After copying this address, I need to go back. After going back, I need to put here. After putting, I need to click on setup. Now my address is set up successfully. Now I go to this. After please bind TRC20 address, I need to go down and need to bind my address here. Such as first of all, I bind this address, then I will teach you. This is bind successfully. Now I need to click on this find security. Now I need to put amount, such as my amount is here $24. I need to put a draw on this. Now after this, you can see that after I need to enter my pin, I am waiting for just it. To just click on the submit button. After clicking the submit button, I need to click on this submit withdrawal successfully. Now you can see that I go back, and after going back, you can see that financial record. You can check that I deposited $10 and then I trade this become my $19, and this is the withdrawal amount which is waiting for the approval. And you can see that I am just waiting for the withdrawal coming in my wallet. I will teach you how I receive or not. Successfully received $23 in my wallet. Now you can see that this one is 3% around is the fee which I don't cut down. I successfully received $23 in my wallet. Now I go back to this website. For going back, I need to refresh here. Now you can see that my withdrawal is successfully completed. You can see that. I hope you like this video, and also subscribe my channel. Take care and goodbye.